Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very important topic to discuss, especially for those of you who are over 50 or have loved ones in that age group. As we age, our bodies undergo various changes that can affect our balance and stability, leading to an increased risk of falls which can have serious consequences on our health and well-being. Have you ever wondered why people over 50 are more prone to losing balance and falling? What are the underlying causes of these balance issues, and how can we prevent them? Understanding these causes is crucial because falls can lead to severe injuries such as fractures, head trauma, and even long-term disability. By being aware of the factors that contribute to balance problems, we can take proactive steps to prevent falls and ensure a safer environment for ourselves and our loved ones. Raising awareness about these issues is the first step towards prevention. By recognizing the signs and taking preventive measures, such as regular exercise, proper nutrition, and ensuring a safe home environment, we can significantly reduce the risk of falls and improve our quality of life. It is also important to have regular checkups with healthcare providers to manage chronic conditions and review medications that might affect balance. Stay tuned to learn about these crucial factors and how you can address them to stay safe and healthy. This video will provide you with the knowledge and tools needed to take control of your health and reduce the risk of falls, ensuring you or your loved ones can lead a safer and more active life. 1. Neurodegeneration. Neurodegeneration refers to the condition when the nervous system doesn't function as efficiently as it used to, affecting the transmission of signals from the brain to other parts of the body. This is a natural part of aging but can be exacerbated by various pathological and lifestyle factors. Symptoms of neurodegeneration include memory loss, difficulty concentrating, abnormal sensations or loss of sensation in the limbs, muscle weakness, loss of muscle control, tremors, dizziness, balance issues, and changes in reflexes and coordination. As we age, especially after 50, neurodegeneration can lead to balance problems due to neural degeneration, neurological diseases like Parkinson's and multiple sclerosis, and reduced reflex abilities. These factors make it harder for the body to maintain balance in unexpected situations, while muscle weakness and muscle mass loss worsen the problem. To prevent neurodegeneration and balance loss, it is essential to keep your brain active through reading, puzzles, and learning new skills. Manage stress with meditation and deep breathing, and have regular health checkups to detect early signs. Limiting the use of tobacco and alcohol is also crucial. 2. Cerebral ischemia. Cerebral ischemia occurs when the blood flow to the brain is reduced or interrupted, causing the brain to not receive enough oxygen and essential nutrients to function efficiently. This is a dangerous condition that can lead to severe complications like strokes if not treated promptly. Symptoms of cerebral ischemia include dizziness, loss of balance, sudden and severe headaches, inability to concentrate, blurred or temporary loss of vision. Weakness or paralysis on one side of the body, slurred speech, difficulty speaking, and temporary memory loss or confusion. Causes of cerebral ischemia can include atherosclerosis, high blood pressure, heart disease, diabetes, smoking, obesity, and physical inactivity. As age increases, particularly after 50, the risk of cerebral ischemia also rises due to the natural decline of the circulatory system and blood vessels. Cerebral ischemia causes balance loss in older adults because of decreased blood circulation, declining cardiovascular health, plaque buildup in the arteries, and aging factors that affect every system in the body. To prevent cerebral ischemia, it's essential to maintain a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet, regular exercise, blood pressure control, diabetes management, avoiding smoking and limiting alcohol, regular health checkups, and maintaining a healthy weight. 3. Osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a condition where the density of bones in the body decreases, making them fragile and more prone to fractures. This condition often occurs silently without clear symptoms until a bone fracture happens. At 50 years old, the process of generating new bone cannot keep up with the loss of bone mass, especially in women after menopause due to the decline in estrogen levels. Factors such as a lack of calcium and vitamin D, a sedentary lifestyle, smoking, alcohol consumption, and genetics further exacerbate this condition. Weak and brittle bones not only reduce the body's load-bearing capacity but also diminish the ability to maintain balance, leading to a higher risk of falls and fractures. To prevent bone mass loss, it is crucial to maintain a balanced diet rich in calcium and vitamin D from foods like milk, yogurt, cheese, salmon, and leafy green vegetables. Regular exercise, including weight-bearing exercises like walking, jogging, and yoga to strengthen bone density and muscle strength. Additionally, avoiding smoking and alcohol, undergoing regular health checkups to detect early signs of bone mass loss, managing hormones after menopause, and supplementing with calcium and vitamin D when necessary will help protect bone health. 4. Sleep disorders. Sleep disorders occur when an individual has difficulty sleeping, maintaining sleep, or experiences non-restorative sleep that does not rejuvenate health. Common sleep disorders include insomnia, snoring, sleep apnea, and circadian rhythm disorders. This condition can arise from various causes such as stress, anxiety, unhealthy lifestyle habits, chronic pain, depression, and other mental health disorders. Especially for those over 50, sleep disorders become more prevalent due to physiological changes in sleep cycles and hormones, along with health issues and medications that can disrupt sleep. Sleep disorders cause significant repercussions, notably decreasing concentration and cognition, weakening muscles and slowing reflexes, thereby increasing the risk of falls and balance loss. Prolonged sleep deprivation leads to fatigue and exhaustion in older adults, diminishing their ability to react swiftly when losing balance, which in turn raises the risk of falls. This is extremely dangerous as it not only affects the quality of life but can also lead to severe complications such as fractures or other injuries. To prevent sleep disorders, it is essential to establish a regular sleep routine. Create an ideal sleep environment. Limit stimulants, practice relaxation habits before bed, exercise regularly, and have regular health checkups. 5. Vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D deficiency is a common condition, particularly in those over 50, which can lead to several serious health issues. Symptoms of vitamin D deficiency include fatigue, lethargy, bone pain and muscle weakness, osteoporosis, impaired immunity, mood disorders, and problems with skin and hair. The main causes of vitamin D deficiency are a lack of sunlight exposure, a diet lacking in vitamin D-rich foods such as salmon, egg yolks, and milk, and poor absorption due to digestive diseases like celiac or Crohn's disease. As age increases, the skin's ability to produce vitamin D from sunlight decreases, and the use of sunscreen can also block the UVB rays necessary for vitamin D production. Vitamin D deficiency causes significant balance problems, especially in those over 50, as it weakens muscles, reduces bone density, and impairs neurological function. When muscles weaken and bones become fragile and prone to fractures, balance maintenance is compromised, increasing the risk of falls. To supplement vitamin D, you should spend at least 15 to 30 minutes each day in sunlight, particularly in the early morning or late afternoon. Additionally, your diet should include salmon, egg yolks, milk and dairy products, along with sunlight-exposed mushrooms. If dietary intake and sunlight exposure are insufficient, vitamin D supplements can be an option, but consult a doctor before use. 6. Postural hypotension. Postural hypotension is a condition where blood pressure drops suddenly when you stand up from a sitting or lying position, causing dizziness, lightheadedness, and even fainting. This condition occurs when the body doesn't adjust quickly enough to pump blood to the brain when changing positions. This issue is particularly serious for people over 50, as the mechanisms that regulate blood pressure become less effective with age, compounded by factors such as dehydration, use of diuretics, antidepressants, and conditions like diabetes, Parkinson's disease, and heart disease. When blood pressure drops suddenly, the brain doesn't receive enough blood and oxygen, leading to symptoms like dizziness, lightheadedness, fainting, nausea, and fatigue, which significantly affect balance. Reduced blood flow to the brain not only causes a spinning sensation but also decreases concentration, muscle weakness, and slower reflexes, increasing the risk of falls. To prevent orthostatic hypotension, you should drink enough water daily to ensure your body is well hydrated. When changing positions, do so slowly to give your body time to adjust blood pressure. Avoid alcohol and smoking. Regular exercise improves blood circulation and strengthens muscles, helping the body adjust blood pressure more effectively. 7. Spinal degeneration. Spinal degeneration is a common condition, particularly among those over 50, causing numerous serious health issues. The primary cause is the natural aging process, which wears down the discs and cartilage in the spine. Other contributing factors include heavy lifting and injuries from strenuous activities or prolonged incorrect postures. Genetic predisposition, unhealthy lifestyle habits such as smoking and lack of physical activity, and conditions like arthritis, obesity, and diabetes. Symptoms of spinal degeneration include chronic or acute back pain, stiffness in the spine, especially in the morning or after sitting for long periods. Pain radiating to the hips, buttocks, and legs, sciatica, muscle weakness, and a tingling or numb sensation in the back, hips, or legs. These symptoms not only cause pain and discomfort but also significantly impact the quality of life and mobility of the affected individuals. It is necessary to maintain a reasonable weight to reduce pressure on the spine. Flexibility exercises such as yoga, swimming, and walking to maintain flexibility and strength of the spine. Maintaining correct posture when sitting, standing, and lifting objects is very important to reduce pressure on the spine. A balanced diet with adequate calcium and vitamin D from milk, yogurt, cheese, and green leafy vegetables helps strengthen bones. 8. Excessive alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption is a significant cause of balance disorders, particularly severe in individuals over the age of 50. Alcohol directly impacts the central nervous system, reducing the ability to coordinate and control muscles, leading to balance issues. Damage to the cerebellum, the part of the brain responsible for balance and coordination, is another consequence of alcohol abuse, making it difficult to maintain balance. Additionally, alcohol slows down reflexes and the body's ability to react quickly, increasing the likelihood of falls. Its diuretic properties also cause dehydration and electrolyte loss, resulting in muscle weakness and dizziness. For those over 50, the impact of alcohol-induced balance problems is even more pronounced due to the overall decline in health, weaker muscles, and more fragile bones, increasing the risk of serious falls and injuries. Coexisting conditions such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart disease, combined with alcohol abuse, exacerbate balance issues. Moreover, alcohol can interact with medications commonly taken by older adults, reducing their effectiveness and increasing the risk of side effects, including balance disorders. To prevent this, limit alcohol consumption, follow recommended safe drinking guidelines, and maintain a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet and regular exercise to keep muscles and bones strong. 9. Kidney function decline. Kidney function decline is a serious issue, especially for those over 50, and it can lead to balance problems for several reasons. When kidney function decreases, the ability to filter and remove toxins from the blood is impaired, leading to the accumulation of toxins that can damage the nervous system and central nervous system, causing balance loss. The kidneys also maintain the balance of electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, and calcium. When this function is compromised, electrolyte imbalance occurs, causing muscle weakness and affecting balance. Chronic kidney disease often leads to anemia because the kidneys do not produce enough erythropoietin, a hormone that stimulates red blood cell production, resulting in fatigue and muscle weakness. Using multiple medications to treat various conditions increases the risk of side effects and balance loss when kidney function is impaired. To prevent this, regular health checkups are essential to monitor kidney function, maintain a healthy diet, exercise regularly, manage blood pressure, and use medications as prescribed by doctors. Avoiding harmful factors like alcohol and tobacco is also crucial to maintain kidney health as well as overall health, especially in people over 50 years old. 10. Muscle weakness. The invisible challenge to your stability. Muscle weakness is one of the main causes of balance loss among older adults. The primary causes include the natural aging process, which results in a decrease in muscle mass and strength, along with a sedentary lifestyle and poor nutrition. Chronic conditions such as diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and arthritis, along with the side effects of certain medications, also contribute to muscle weakening. A deficiency in vitamin D, essential for muscle health, is another significant factor. Muscle weakness reduces the ability to control and maintain balance, making older adults more prone to falls, with slower reflexes and a decreased ability to recover from injuries. The good news is that muscle weakness can be combated with specific strengthening exercises. Exercise programs that include resistance training, such as using weights or resistance bands, as well as balance exercises, are highly recommended for older adults. Staying physically active and incorporating regular activities that strengthen muscles can significantly improve balance, coordination, and overall quality of life. Understanding the reasons why people over 50 easily lose balance and fall is essential for taking proactive steps towards prevention. By addressing factors such as aging, medication side effects, poor nutrition, lack of physical activity, and underlying medical conditions, we can significantly reduce the risk of falls. Additionally, creating a safe home environment and having regular checkups with healthcare providers are crucial in maintaining balance and overall health. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family who might benefit from this information, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you.